On September 11, 2025, an Arkansas state trooper conducted a routine traffic stop on Interstate 30 for a driver speeding late into the night. But when the trooper approached the window, the big guy's nervous movements and shaky hands set the tone for a wrong move that would change everything. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Hey, Trooper State Police, speed limit 60. Using about 80 right there.
What's that?
Yeah, on 30 back there before you went to 40.
I'll go pick my uncle from work.
You going to work?
Pick my uncle from work.
Oh, picking up your uncle?
Yes.
Okay, you got insurance and your license with you?
No, I left it at the house. He was arrested.
Okay, so you don't got your license with you? Is this
No.
your car?
This is my wife's car.
Okay, you got insurance with you?
It's at the house.
Okay. Alright, we'll just hang tight, be right back, okay? What I have you do, just write down your name and your birthday, okay? So what is it exactly? I can't read that. What's your first name? James? What does it say?
1111. Archie Plymouth.
What is it?
Archie Plymouth.
Yeah, that's not at all what you wrote. I need your name and your birthday.
EMONS.
Okay. 921, what is this?
90.
90? Okay, who is this then?
I was
Okay. Just hang tight, right back, okay? Adam 24, little right, 1024. Silver Ford Taurus. Arkansas Boy Frank Lincoln 09 Tom. Boy Frank Lincoln 09 Tom. Be on the 40 West 152A exit ramp.
Show your hands! Get out! On the ground! On the ground! Now! Lay out on the ground! On the ground, don't move! Don't move! Hey! Stay there, don't move. Don't move. You're gonna get it. Don't move. Good luck to you. Put your hands behind your back and get it again. Get it. Get it. Go get it. Back off, buddy. Back off. Gotta keep getting it! Stop moving! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! You got it. What's 10-15? Go ahead. Keep them coming. Get it to the 16. You good? Yeah. Hey bro, you done fighting? Huh? You done fighting? Yeah. Alright. Just keep getting your ass whipped if you're not. No, it's I won't. Get the blood on it. Here. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
An ambulance was called to treat Mr. Flemons, and he was transported to UAMS Medical Center. After being medically cleared, he was taken to the Pulaski County Detention Facility. Archie Flemons was arrested and charged with speeding more than 15 miles per hour over the limit, driving on a suspended license, no liability insurance, reckless driving, fleeing vehicle or conveyance, fleeing on foot, 2 counts of third-degree battery, and resisting arrest. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.